Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. Hello guys, the other day I had the opportunity to fly with DW Squadron. We were flying on the Western Tar map, taking off out of Amsterdam and heading for Apeldoorn. DW is short for Duxford Wing, and they've been around for quite a while, about 12 years I believe. I was impressed with their coordination, their communications, and their planning to do the mission. Joining them on comms on their Discord, I take number 6 slot. As a guest, I'll just follow along, do what they do, and do what I'm told. And pretty soon we form up in our combat spread.
We're at your 11 o'clock low.
I see.
No contacts nearby.
We'll switch to your right, Badger.
Roger. Cannot spot this convoy.
The enemy target will be located in this hatch-marked area on one of the roads. We have to find it.
Gonna head northeast.
Okay, come in left, Jordan.
Gotcha. Follow, turning with you.
We're hoping to uncover the target as quickly as possible so we can make our bombing run. Every minute we spend looking for the target also means another minute where we can be identified and intercepted. We've covered the whole target area and still no sign of the convoy. Oh, seriously?
I already missed.
So we're coming down to the low contact.
Watch out.
He's firing at me pretty good. Where do you want me to be to help you guys out?
I'll keep him occupied, Midgie.
Yeah, he's on me again.
He's on. This guy's on me too.
He's
I can't
extending.
really shake him.
Okay.
He's in. One's down.
One's climbing. One in.
All right. Well, one's diving with me. Where are you all?
We're right.
I'm following.
I'm on him. The diving one.
Hit him.
Right, going west.
I'm extending. He's going up. Oh
Right,
well. So
keep going west, Jordan.
Right, going
I'll be
down.
on your right hand side when we come out of this.
he's hammering.
Yes, I'm
it.
going
He's a
max
climber, right?
with boost on at the
I'm
moment.
extending. Let me know where you want me. He's off.
Ooh, he almost got a good hit.
Yeah, I'm turning in on him now.
I see you tangling with him,
Okay,
Patriot.
I'm coming up. You're in a fight, guys. I'm dragging one along the river to your
He
left.
shot flare. He shot
Roger.
flare.
Yeah,
Green
you're
flare.
Coming in.
green flare.
Okay, you got guys wherever he is. You've got someone coming from behind you. There's two at least.
I don't see two on my 6 right now, but I believe you.
Oh, I see him coming in.
Yeah.
Got
Oh,
some
good
hits.
hits, good hits.
Mitchie, watch your energy.
Yeah, I'm going down now. I'm going down.
Well, check 6.
Yeah, there's another one in as well. There's another one in the fight. He's lower.
Break
He's
right. Break
shooting.
right.
I'm coming at him.
I'm rolling on him. I have to bail.
Never took out the smoker.
Yeah, no, I got one smoker. Was there another
Hey,
smoker?
check 6. Check 6. 262 coming in.
I got one anyway. I'm happy with that.
Hey, check 6.
Damn it.
There's 2
There
on
goes
you.
my tail. Uh-oh. Alright, I'm gonna try to bail it.
Well, you
Fucker.
found the convoy, guys.
Yeah, we did. Successful mission, everyone.
We got 5 aircraft, so that's good.
Yeah, well, that's also not counting the one that had a maneuver kill, or like the
That is true.
killed himself. So that's 6.
What is
Oh,
the
I'm so dead.
egress, or what are we doing here now?
West. Head west.
Yeah.
Head
Did
west,
anyone
young
die?
Oh,
Yeah, I died. Unfortunately, I
I-
spat
I'm
it
dead.
in.
I got 262s on me.
I bailed.
Amsterdam. It's only a successful mission if you make it all the way home. That way you get to keep your points, and the map moves forward. In the end, no matter how skillful you are, it really comes down to just luck. Now I have to find the airfield. Hopefully one of those 262s hasn't followed me home, and I'll be able to land. So, almost the conclusion of another tactical air war mission. And anyone not familiar with TAR in the multiplayer world should check it out. Alright guys, until next time, take care. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.